Oi, gente, tudo bem? Hey, people, what's up? I'm Marcelo and welcome to All in Brazil channel. So today I'm going to talk about the Carnival parade that happens in Rio de Janeiro, or in Portuguese, Rio de Janeiro. You can still go to São Paulo, but the best and traditional parade is in Rio. Besides Rio, Brazil is a huge country and there are a lot of cities and places that you can go to enjoy the carnival with different music and parades all over Brazil. But today the video is about Carnival Parade that happens every year in a place called Sambódromo or Marques de Sapucaí. So let's start the videos. Hi guys, welcome to All in Brazil channel, the first channel in YouTube made by Brazilians for you who are planning your trip to Brazil. My goal is to help you to have the best experience to your trip to my country. So today I'm going to talk about the Carnival Parade in Rio, and in the end of this video I will explain you how you can buy your tickets directly without any agency and what is the best ticket. But before we start, if you are liking this video and the tips that I'm giving to you, like the video and subscribe to the channel. And if you are a little bit lost with your travel, we can help you to plan your travel to Brazil. To do that, you just have to send me an email to onlyinbrazilchannel@gmail.com and we can help you to program your trip. We will make like a video call and help you to buy your tickets, book the best hotels, choose the best bars and restaurants, and also pick up the best tours and places to go. So click in the link in the description of the video or send me an email. Let's talk about the Rio Carnival Parade. So the parade happens in a place called, in Portuguese, Sambódromo de Marques de Sapucaí, that is located in the center of Rio. So the design of the Sambódromo was made by the famous architect Oscar Niemeyer, and the goal of this monument was providing the city a permanent urban stage for the exhibition of the greatest shown on earth. There are the parades of the samba schools of the Carnival of Rio de Janeiro. Officially, the stage of Rio's Carnival is called Passarela Professor Darcy Ribeiro. However, it is popularly known as Sambódromo, which was the term coined by Darcy Ribeiro himself, with the combination of samba with the suffix of Greek origin, dromo, which means race or place to run. The Sambódromo was built in the 80s and in just 120 days using many um, precast construction techniques in reinforced concrete, so it's really simple. The runway is 700 meters long and 13 meters wide. Today, approximately 70,000 locals and tourists can attend the most famous carnival in the world. So outside the carnival period, the Sambódromo and the Samba Museum, which is in the same place, can be visited for free during the day, and you can also go to some shows there during the year. From the month of December onwards, the season for technical rehearsals for the samba schools will be open. So this take place during the night of the weekends until just before the carnival. So you can go there to watch a previews of what the parade could be if you are not going in carnival. So if you are before the carnival, you can go there on the weekends and see some samba schools. So the Sambódromo is divided into sectors, numbers from 1 to 13, and divided into even and odd numbers. The even side is close to the Praça 11 subway station, and the odd side is close to the Central do Brasil station, the subway station. The best way to arrive there is by subway or even by helicopter. Yes, you can go there by helicopter depending on your ticket, and of course, by going by helicopter is much, much more expensive. So behind the sectors, both on the odd and even side, um, There are fast food companies and stores where you can have several options for a quick snack, and you also have some vendors selling drinks that you can choose while you are watching the parade. Do you already have your ticket to Rio de Janeiro Carnival Parade? So the tickets available in all sectors of Marques de Sapucaí, including special bleachers, number bleachers in sector 9, common boxes and covered boxes. So anticipate your purchase to avoid high prices, because um, when gets closer to the parade, the prices are higher. And you can access the website. I will leave in the description, and you can buy your tickets by your own. You don't need any agency. So the best sectors are the camarotes, and usually the food and drinks are included, and you can enjoy this amazing experience. When you are buying your ticket, you can see that you have different dates to go because you have different samba schools. So be aware, because if you have you have two groups of parades. You have the access groups, that is like the second division of a soccer league, that will happen on February 7th and 8th. And the principal group will do the parade on February 9th and 20th. And 5 days after, you'll have this special parade called the Champions Parade, where the winners of the parade will parade again. So, my advice is go to the Champions Parade. It's not so crowded. Okay, it's not so beautiful, but usually the ticket is cheaper and you have the same experience. But it's up to you, and it depends on when you are going and how many days are you spending in Rio. So this was my tip to you in the parade. And if you like this video and the tips I gave to you, like the video, subscribe to the channel to receive all of our videos. And if you are a little bit lost with your travel to Brazil, we can help you to plan it. So check in the description the link, or send us an email to onlinebrazilchannel@gmail.com, and we can help you to program your trip. We will make like a video call, help you to buy your flight tickets, your bus tickets, to book the best hotels, to choose the best bars, to book the best restaurants, and also to pick up the best tours and places to go. So check it out in the description. I hope if you have a really nice trip to Brazil. If you have any question about Brazil and your trip, please let me know in the comments. I wish you a safe trip. Bye.